You can put everything on the burger. What is your name?
Jonathan.
What is your jersey number?
2.
What do you shoot in a basketball hoop?
Soccer ball.
Something you put on a pizza.
Pineapples.
What sound does a cat make? Complete the yearly motto. Every blank matters.
Shot.
How many assists did you have in your triple-double last season?
1.
How many seasons of modern EuroLeague have there been?
2.
Your time's up.
We didn't get too many.
Well, maybe I was messing up on the reading.
Kodi, start.
What's my name?
Tom.
Where are we right now?
Egypt.
Who's our head coach?
Thomas.
What is Kodi Miler Mekintajer's spirit animal?
Snake.
How many days are there in a week?
9.
Name a yellow fruit.
Apple.
Complete the EuroLeague anthem. I feel.
Sexy.
What's the first letter in the word Belgrade?
E.
Name something you put on a burger.
Lettuce. Chicken. You can put everything on the burger. I should have said, I don't know.
I got 8. That's crazy.
I'm Ajzea, and I got 8.
I'm Kodi Miler Mekintajer, and I got 8.